Hi, it's Koze. I'm gonna be trying out peel-off base coat. I have been watching a lot of nail videos and I found out that there are a lot of people out there using peel-off base gel. And I learned that some of the peel-off base coats are really sticky after you cure them. I have some peel-off base coat, but they are not really sticky. Speaking of sticky, foil glue gel is really sticky, right? I painted foil glue gel on a nail tip stand, and it peels like that. So this is exactly the same as peel-off base coat gel. So in this video, I want to find out if I can really use foil glue gel as peel-off base coat. But there's one problem. I'm allergic to gel nail. It's not painful or itchy. My nails separated from my nail bed. This symptom is called onycholysis. Gel nail is designed to be used by a person who knows exactly what to do with gel nail. Also, it's supposed to be painted on healthy nails. How to avoid allergies? Cure gel nail properly. Apply it on healthy nails. These two are very important. When you cure your gel nail for just 10 seconds or so, it looks fine. It looks fine, but it's not cured enough. If the gel is undercured, allergen can get into your skin because its molecule is much smaller than your skin molecule. But if you cure gel nail properly, it becomes plastic. I don't think anyone is allergic to plastic. About healthy nails. Our nails have 3 layers, and the top layer protects our skin the most. So if your top layer is damaged or you don't have any top layer, your nail doesn't work as a barrier. So imagine you have undercured gel nail on your damaged nail for weeks. That's scary. That's how people like me get allergies. Now my nails are healthy, and if I cure gel nail enough, probably I won't get allergic reaction. So today I'm going to apply gel onto my nails. I would like you to understand that I'm not suggesting you use gel nail if you have allergies. I'm going to do this experiment at my own risk. I don't recommend doing this. Actually, I'm a bit scared to apply gel nail onto my natural nail, so I applied OPI Nail Envy, but I found out later this was not a good idea. Okay, so I'm gonna apply this foil gel. It's available at CanDo in Japan at 330 yen. I'm leaving a small gap from the skin. I'm leaving a little more gap on the free edge since I don't have to worry about the damages on the free edge. I have to cure this gel for 3 minutes. This gel is called jewelry gel. It's produced for people with gel allergies. I'm trying to get close to the skin as much as possible. I'm gonna paint foil glue gel on the pinky and the ring finger, and peel off base coat on the middle finger and the index finger. Actually, this one contains a hammer. This is my biggest concern, but I'm gonna use it anyway. I'll be extra careful not to touch the skin with it. I painted the same way as a thumbnail. I left some margin from the skin, cured it, and applied jewelry gel. As for the art, I made this video, just as a thumbnail though. 1 week later, the gel lifted a little bit here. But that's about it, no other lifts visible. I used peel-off base coat and I got a little lift here. I got 2 lifts after 1 week. And the rest looks fine. To be honest, I really enjoyed using gel nail on my nails. Now it's time to peel it off. I'm using grapeseed oil. I learned that many people use oil and ethanol to peel them off. Now I'm really careful not to damage my nail. I'm doing this really slowly and really gently. Oh, it came off. I'm a really impatient person, but I'm taking a lot of time now. I need to add extra oil from time to time. I think it looks pretty good. This white thing is white gel nail painted on base coat. This white color gel didn't come off easily. I struggled quite a bit. So far, so good though. I don't think I damaged my nail. It's so slippery. Yeah, of course, I use a lot of oil. This made me difficult to work on it. It took me almost 6 minutes to take it off. That's a long time, isn't it? Let's do the peel-off base coat now. Again, I'm doing it really slowly not to damage my natural nail. I guess I am too slow, but you know, I don't want to damage my nail. It took 2 minutes and 40 seconds. The middle finger with peel-off base coat. This nail didn't have any lift, but it took only 1 minute and 50 seconds. Now the ring finger with foil glue gel. It took so much time. So using foil glue gel as peel-off base coat is actually a bad idea. It took 6 minutes and 40 seconds. I think the foil glue gel is still on the nail. It feels bumpy. And at last, the pinky. I applied the foil glue gel on it. It took about 4 minutes and 45 seconds to take it off. I'm gonna wash my hands. It's so oily. Both foil glue gel and peel-off base coat are on my nails. It's kinda sticky. I bought adhesive remover for peel-off base coat. I applied it and waited for 1 minute. I guess this is a point where I tend to damage my nail the most. It doesn't come off clean. I think it's because of nail envy I applied. I should have applied peel-off base coat directly onto the nail. I don't recommend this at all, but apply the remover onto foil glue gel. I think it's working. I cleaned all the nails with ethanol. So, I think nail envy is still on the nails. I'm gonna remove nail envy with nail polish remover. Put on a silicone cover and wait for a few minutes. So this is going to be my true natural bare nail. I damaged my nail a little bit. The middle finger looks okay, the least damaged. The ring finger had foil glue gel. I had some leftover foil glue gel on the pinky. I was actually quite impressed that nail polish remover with acetone removes the foil glue gel quite easily. I didn't have any allergic reactions this time, but I'll keep watching the nails closely. Can I use foil glue gel as peel-off base coat? It took a lot of time and effort to take the nail art off, so if you want to wear the nail art for 2 to 3 weeks, probably it's good. It took me such a long time to take off the nails, so I didn't see any benefit of using foil glue gel. Well, nail envy was a bad idea. My nails are a little damaged, so I want to wait until my nails grow healthily. And I want to try peel-off base coat without nail envy. I could use the other hand as experiment, but avoiding skin contact with the gel nail will be pretty difficult if I work with my left hand, which is my non-dominant hand. As for removing nail art, working with regular nail polish is the easiest, after all. Okay, I'm going to do cuticle care and oil care, and paint regular polish. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!